Welcome to Vietnam, guys. Just landed. Finally, na-claim ko ng among bag. And bilang hours, mga 3 hours char lang. And then, next thing to do is magpa-money exchange me here. And then, have breakfast kay perting gutuman na. Naka 4 million here in Vietnam. Millionaire ang peg. So, namigaw sa airport and look for food para breakfast kaya wala pa may kaon, guys. Buti na lang, may mga pagkain dito na familiar to us. Try Vietnamese food here. So, nahagard na kong fast here sa Vietnam. Wala pa kami ka-tour-tour, guys. How much? 900. So, 999? So, that's, oh my God. This one, right? Million? So, our breakfast today cost us 1 million dong. Thank you so much. You're going to serve it or I'm gonna get it for myself. Okay, thank you. So, for breakfast, 199,000.
Plan nga namin mga palangga is mag-city tour lang dito sa Ho Chi Minh since we only have 5 hours to explore the city kasi may flight din kami mamaya and nag-rent po kami ng car and that's 1,700,000 Vietnamese dong for a city tour for 5 hours.
Tour sa amin first here because we have few hours here in Ho Chi Minh and then later nami flight going to Hanoi so we're gonna go there later.
Pag gutom na ato ang driver.
Yes.
Nga naman?
Kaya wala man siya ka.
Kaya wala siya ka? Timok. First stop namin ay sa Independence Palace and for ticket nasa 40,000 dong yan. So sa Philippine peso nasa almost 100 pesos po. Sa 100 pesos mo, pwede mo nang malibot yung entire palace. Sobrang ganda niyan. At dahil nagutom ng mga person, kaya nakapag-decide kami na stop muna sa tour doon at pupunta kami ng restaurant. At dito nga kami dinala ng aming driver sa restaurant na to kasi sobrang sarap daw. Nasa 872,000 dong po yung meal na to. And sa peso, nasa 1,500 po yan. And around 4:30 p.m. on our way to the airport
So,
na.
namin guys, sa Ho Chi Minh Domestic Airport because we are flying till Hanoi later, mga 7 p.m. And look, Christmas kayo gyapon dira. So, bye guys.